Consider the means of the sets of numbers shown below. We have 1 to 5 here, and 7 to 11 here. Clearly the mean for the first set is 3, and the mean for the second set is 9. If we look at the two sets of numbers, the second set is produced by adding 6 to each number in the first set. The means also differ by 6 in the same way. If we have two sets of numbers, with the second set a fixed amount more than each of the numbers in the first set, the means will differ by this same fixed amount. If we consider these two curves, the red one is our standard normal with a mean 0 and a variance 1, and the blue curve has exactly the same shape as we can see, the same spread and the same height. It follows that its variance must also be 1. What is different about these two is the mean. Since we only have standard normal tables, we would like to be able to move the blue curve so that it is the same as the red curve. And thinking about what we discussed with the sets of numbers before, we can do this simply by subtracting the mean from each value in the distribution of the blue curve. This will move the curve so that it lands exactly on the standard normal. Here we have once again the red curve as the standard normal. The blue curve has the same mean, but the variance is different. We can see the curve is a different shape. We can actually change the shape of the blue curve so that it matches the red curve by dividing by the standard deviation. This is something you should remember. Bringing both arguments together, the red curve is the standard normal with mean 0 and variance 1, and the blue curve is a normal with mean mu and variance sigma squared. Remember that we only have standard normal tables. For any other normal, we need to transform it so that we can use our standard normal tables. We need to move the curve so that its mean is at 0. So z is going to be x take away mu. This transformation will move the blue curve so that its mean is at 0. We then need to change its shape so that it has the same shape as the standard normal. As discussed, we can do this by dividing by the standard deviation. So we subtract the mean to move the curve and divide by the standard deviation to make it the same shape. This expression, z is x take away the mean divided by the standard deviation, is incredibly important, and you should remember it and use it.